Hindi. Airbag lang. Hindi. Saka man. Oo. Baka saka man. Nagligid yung tanga to, di ba? Oo. Sama ka? Ito. Hindi pwedeng pabayaan yung aking ano to. Mahal na mahal ako nila. Welcome on board to everyone. Welcome to Ribog.
But if you are first time here in our island, go on and visit. Don't mind about the payment. That is normal in our vacation. Okay po? So ma'am sir, yung pira natin maibabalik naman yan. That is temporary only. Yung memory natin for a lifetime po yan. Okay? So go on po kay ma'am sir and enjoy here in our boat. While the boat is travel, you are not allowed to go side by side of our boat. Because you know why ma'am sir? Because we look to your safety first. Because if we are not good balance here, Titanic part 2 begins. Okay, be careful for that one. And then, if you want to smoke or beep, you can go on the backside of our boat. It's allowed to smoke and beep on the backside. Okay? Alam mo naman dito sa Pilipinas, ma'am sir, no? Kung saan na bawal, doon ay pwede. Okay? And then if you want to change outfit later on, we have a restroom here on the backside of our boat. And then, if you want to buy something, we have available beer. It can be water, soda, anything we have here. And that is for sale if you want to buy, ma'am sir. So bilhan nyo naman kami ma'am, parang awa nyo na. Kasi kahapon pa kami walang pinta. Okay po, so that's all everyone. So by the way, I'm your local tour guide for today. And Kuya Byron is here, is a local tour guide also. So by the way, I'm your MC entertainer here, ma'am sir. And just play the music as a DJ. Thank you so much everyone. Let's enjoy and God bless for us. Thank you so much. If you have any question, ma'am sir, don't be shy to inform us. And yung kuha. At isa sa ang kukabit sa pinakamagaling mag-picture. Kaya yung pupuntahan natin dito for the picture taking within 40 minutes. And remember everyone, our boat name, we are belongs at Reboat Company, but we are belongs at Toto Jade Boat. We are not in Titanic Part 2, okay? So once again, what is our boat name everyone? Toto Jade, ma'am sir, always remember.
Okay, ma'am. Point click. Yulu. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Hawakan mo yung shield. Continue ko ba? Yulu. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Isa.
May shake man dyan.
May libre ka. Pili lang kayo ng ito.
Magkayak ma'am. Bagus yung magkayak. Tapos naman. Sayang. Libre sana eh.
The same.
Ano yan?
Ako na.
Pineapple.
Asin ako kan.
Grabe ang dami. Ang... Ayun, pre.
Company, you don't need to pay about this one, okay? You need to use. Because mom, if you want to go down with this one or without this one, we gotta pay for the extra 100, and that is for the save wind drawer handle for this part, okay? So we have only one snorkeling, mom, sir, and it's only a 30 minutes belongs, okay? And after this, let's proceed to the lunch with the unlimited buffet. So mom, sir, so let's get ready and enjoy. Our cliff jumping is on the top of our boat, okay? So both sides we have a stairs here. Side by side we have a stairs. So we have also a rope. You can hold on the rope. If you don't know how to swim, good luck to all of you. Alright. So by the way, ma'am, sir, we have also a blowpipe. Did you see the blowpipe po? Yung kulay blue? Bawal po nating patungan pero pwede tayong humawak. Okay po? So again, ma'am, sir, inuulit po namin. Nandito lang kami habang nalulunod kayo. Enjoy po everyone. This is only once. Go on. 30 minutes we can stay.
Diretso ka doon, ha? Wait, magtao. Dito na. Tapos diretso ka doon, ha? Yung blue. Okay na. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Mira abajo.
Amin na abaho?
Second batch.
Wait. One. Wait. Mabuhay na ka. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, ready?
Ay, na kami. Tayo na kami.
Oo, tali. Oo, sige. Close. Close selfie. Close.